Egusi soup on flick. Oh my lordy. This has taken me like 3 hours to get here, but I finally did. This is my special egusi soup. I've got turkey there. That's turkey. This is smoked turkey. I've got pomo, and I've got some what's it called? I got some shaki, and I'm just putting my fish in. I'm gonna make it as dry as possible. I don't want it to be watery at all. So yeah, this is my special egusi. Trust me, it tastes really good. I am expert when it comes to cooking this kind of fresh very fresh Edo egusi. This is not Yoruba egusi. This is not Igbo egusi. Trust me, this Edo egusi is special. There's a way you cook it. You see, there's hardly any water in it because it has to be dry, and it tastes it tastes divine. It tastes divine. It's quarantine. Hope everybody is we are cooking, eating. Right, this is where we are.